Oh man.
Hey, this is Vlad with VITO'S Garage, doing an unboxing of the MICTUNING RGBW underglow lights. Stay tuned. You will have the MICTUNING app instruction, the wiring diagram, and the remote control introduction. The app introduction will show you how to log in on the login page, registration page, and you'll see device statuses and how to connect to Bluetooth. This opens up. So device status, Bluetooth mode, device group page, the RGB types, everything will be shown in the app instruction manual. Now the wiring diagram, you will learn how to set this up underneath the car for the best performance. And then here is the remote control introduction and how to use it. This is how the underglow will arrive in your box, and the controls and wiring all together. You will find zip ties and the remote control in the package as so, and they will all be in a Ziploc.
I think the other one's working. Hold on. We gotta redo it. Oh man, sick. That is insane. That is pretty cool. They could see if we're doing a good job.